Welcome to another weekend. It's Friday. I am just finishing up work now. I'm sick as fuck because this air quality has been shit. I'm pissed off, but I'm not gonna let it ruin my weekend. I don't really know exactly what's going on tonight. I know that this afternoon I'm gonna go play tennis with Guy again. I'm so excited. I also wanted to insert like some clips because I randomly went out on Tuesday, so I'll add that in.
It's fucking disgusting out here, babe. It's disgusting, babe. Weird.
It's so fucking hot.
It's literally so
It's
hot.
heat wave era, guys.
It's heat wave. It's heat wave. Happy heat
You
wave.
have one.
Oh my god.
No, right?
We're nudging them. We're nudging them. What are we feeling?
Holiday Inn, we at the hotel, Holiday Inn. And then Guy was also over here last night and we had a cute little wine night and we ended up like having a whole ass game night. Look at how I ate you the fuck up. Right.
420.
Oh yeah, you came second out of 2.
Okay,
Congrats.
let's do
Wait, cute.
karate. I guess
No,
karate.
you fucking killed that one.
Not.
No, just not.
Hey, do you
Okay,
see
see
this?
the anaconda? Do you see the anaconda? That was perfect.
That's-
But I'll talk to you guys when I'm on my way to tennis. Okay, y'all, ready for tennis. Woo. Guys, praise the Lord. It's beautiful out and the air quality is so much better. I was actually really stressed out because I'm gonna do like a physical activity in this shit ass air, but we get.
You filming?
Yeah.
I was about to tell you like tea.
Oh wait, tell me the tea. Life is about balance. TGIF, baby. Oh my god, the one-hander. That was kind of hot. We went again and look at me right now. You got that band on. But you made me hate me. I wish that you made the man that he longs to be. Now, though I try to resist being masked on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my life for you. He's amazed. It's his first time on this line.
So quiet.
I know. Welcome to the new age. To the new age.
To the new age.
This weekend's bit is Imagine Dragons. So we're listening to Imagine Dragons unironically now. And you think... Look at it.
Whatever leaves you on.
Hi you guys, okay, we're back at mine. I just showered and did my hair. I'm gonna do my makeup. He's watching Desperate Housewives. He's like about to take a nap. See ya in a bit. Seriously. I have purse. You're embarrassing us.
Evers. I think you would like this song.
Okay. Okay, we're on our way to the Priskiana.
Can I join the jam?
Hey! By the way, been around the room. Come on now.
We're getting the fan in.
Yeah, real as fuck.
I'm real as fuck. Get you one like me.
Get you an entree.
Hey, being your vlog.
Yeah, baby. What do you want to say, bro?
Where's the pussy in the beer, bro?
Bro, what the fuck? Where my hog at?
Where's my hog
fucking hog
at? Bro, shorty, where's my hog at, bro?
Wait, you do it too good. Like it's.
Do you have a brother?
Hey! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
Diarrhea.
Nice was good. Tia Samara. Wanna go learn that Nia?
You gotta prep them for shit like that. You
Oh! Hi vlog.
Guys, am I mogging?
I found my moggers.
Oh, we know.
Yeah.
This is the biggest mogger right there.
Mog City.
La Mog City.
Mog City, bitch.
Oh, yeah.
Mog City, bitch. Hi vlog. I'm going home now. I think I'm gonna get some pizza. Good morning. I actually feel amazing somehow. I was like pretty drunk when I got home. I have to leave in like an hour to go to my friend's place because she's doing beer Olympics. What the fuck? Like, so I'm gonna go be a beer Olympian this afternoon and then I'm gonna go out tonight. I hope I win. I really want to win. I am ready for the day. I'm ready for the Olympics. I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes. Go Team Blue! Hey vlog, so I'm about to get swept up in a tornado if you don't mind. If you don't mind, we're just gonna get taken out by a tornado. All good though. All good though. My name's Adrienne and this is my first drink.
My name is Mackenzie and this is my first drink. My name's Madison and this is my first drink.
My name's Alia and this is my first drink.
I'm Cal and this is my second drink.
My name is Erica and this is my first drink.
And we're Team White!
The hare and the worm and the worm and the feather and the feather and the bird and the bird and the egg and the egg and the tree and the hole and the hole and the bog down in the valley.
W-H-I-T-E, White is on site. This is Erica. This is Madison.
Hey.
Team White. Hey, for your rights. Fight, for your rights. Blue, we're true and we'll crush you. Pink, they sing and they're not drink. Black, they're whack, they're gonna slack. White, we'll fight, we're gonna bite. Gray, they'll pay, they're going away. Go blue!
Oh shit.
We're Team Pinks. We're here to drink. My partner's a social worker. He's a shrink. I'm a teacher. I teach the kids to think. Hey. So we're gonna drink. If you break us, you'll sink.
Hey! Mackenzie's carrying the team. She's the only blue girl left because I fucked it up.
Sing. If you don't sing, you're out.
This girl's cheating! Now you gotta drink it off the table. Now what?
But how do I not know that everyone else?
Now like flip cup. Go blue, go blue, go blue. Woo! Oh, bitch! Ah!
Simon says stand up straight. Simon says grab the cup. Simon says touch your head. Simon says grab the cup.
Gorgeous spread. First meal of the day. 9, 10. Oh! 9. 8, 9, 10. Ah! Hey! the train home. We got 3rd place. I'm really upset, and I think that it's a lie. I am so tired. I think I'm the most tired girl in the whole world right now. Hi, I showered, I did my hair, and I got a Red Bull, and now I'm getting ready for the night. God, save me, save me, save me, save me. I don't even want to be saved. Okay, see you when I'm ready.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi vlog! Made it out, and I'm sexy.
I don't even care.
I don't even You look fab, babe, don't even stress.
The bitches are going out today.
We're out, what's up?
Where the fucking hoes at?
Oh my god.
Right here.
The hoes are to my left and to my right. Oh, period.
And what about it?
Yes, look at that.
I take my jeans and I Darlene them.
They're Levi's. 30? No. 29? Yes.
Oh, 23? 23?
Oh.
And what you got, bitch? I think of all the things, what you doing? And in my head, I paint a picture.
Toronto, get on your feet, huh?
Honey, it's all the way from here. I just wanna take you home. Let's set this party on Big butt, shaking it like we at a strip club.
Oh, we're selling big beans.
Good morning. It's Sunday. I just showered and got ready. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Then I'm gonna come home and like change, I think. And I'm gonna go out. We'll see how I feel because I woke up just like feeling great. But I think I also woke up feeling like a little bit drunk because I'm like feeling really silly. So if that wears off and then it gets scary, then I'll need to rethink my plan. But I really want to have like a day out because it's so gorgeous and sunny. And I have the whole day free to myself. I kind of just like want to walk and maybe shop. Okay guys, we're on the move. It's a perfect gorgeous day for a perfect gorgeous girl. Waiting for my coffee. I'm at Juicy Dumpling, y'all. I'm gonna get my dumplings, take them to the park, read my book maybe. I've been craving Juicy Dumpling because the one near my place burned like down. Yay! Vibarella in this bitch. Guys, these DJs over here are throwing the fuck down. This is the best day ever. I've literally been having like the most perfect days, like week after week. I'm leaving the park now and I'm going to meet my friend at Brandy Melville. Like I'm low-key scared as fuck because they close in an hour and that line is no fucking joke. But fingers crossed, maybe by some miracle, the developers of this simulation will bless me and make there be no line. Computer, make that line super short. There's no fucking line. This is fucking unheard of. Literally, like the devs love me.
No white, no white.
No white, please.
No white, please. Let there be white.
Let there be white. Begging. I got something at Brandy. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Wake it up.
Okay, vlog, this is one of the tops I got at Brandy, and I'm gonna wear it now because we're gonna do who fucking knows what.
We're just gonna venture out on the town.
Yeah. See where the wind blows us.
Little blush.
Wait, did they kick you out? Oh.
I've been to Paris, Texas.
Yes, babe, look at that. Thank you, mama.
Guys, I got the roll-up.
Hello. Hello. Oh. Hey.
I love Adrian.
I love you.
Hello. We are local. We run this city.
Give it here, baby. Hey now.
But you look like the kind that likes to take it way out. Wanna sound like a winner.
And what if my body was more tea than everyone's?
Move over.
Oh. It's Monday. I'm just having my coffee before work. My voice is so fucked. I just wanted to sign off because yesterday was fucking crazy. I remember I said I wasn't doing anything last night. I wasn't going out. But then I met up with my friend and the vibes were fucking up and everyone was out. It just had to happen. But now it's Monday, so I am ready to have a good week. Thanks for watching. Love you guys.